How to flip and rotate a video in CapCut. Whether you want to flip your video for a mirror effect or rotate it to change the orientation, this tutorial's got you covered, so let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open CapCut and import your video. So you can simply tap on new project or tap on the existing project. Once you've got our video ready, let's just edit it. Simply tap on the clip and from there, at the downward, simply swipe until you find an option that says transform. Simply tap on it. Here we can find three different options to mirror. As you can see, when we tap on mirror, it will simply mirror our video. Now, if you don't want to mirror your video, let's rotate the video. Just tap on rotate. Here you can simply rotate your video 90 degrees at a time. Just tap it once to rotate it clockwise and keep tapping it until it's the position you want. You can also manually rotate by using two fingers on the video preview as well. And once you're happy with how the video looks, just tap on the play button to preview your changes. And if everything looks good, it's time to export. And there you have it. That's how you flip and rotate a video in CapCut.